interrupt this program because of an emergency. Important information will follow.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Shoshone County in the Panhandle of Idaho, East Central Kootenai County in the Panhandle of Idaho, until 3:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:24 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of 4th of July Pass, or 13 miles northwest of Pinehurst, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of West Central Shoshone and East Central Kootenai counties.
This concludes operations under the Inland Northwest Emergency Alert System. We now return to our regular programming.
Issued at 8:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for the Glen Burns Scar in north central Nez Perce County in north central Idaho, southern Latah County in the Panhandle of Idaho, until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Glen Burns Scar. Between 0.25 and 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the warning area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the Glen Burns Scar. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of areas in and around the Glen Burns Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Julietta. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho: Latah and Nez Perce,